The subcontractor repairing Black River Primary, which was damaged by Hurricane Melissa, is promising a more hurricane-ready structure by the first week of August. Krista Campbell explains.
A journey from Highgate St. Mary to Black River St. Elizabeth to rebuild the badly damaged Black River Primary and Infant School. Principal Sharon White says Hurricane Melissa did not spare a single building on the compound.
Some of the roofing, they would have been old. And we are living in an area that is infested with subterranean termites. So some of the roofing would have been damaged by that. And so we definitely could not stand up to Melissa with that.
But new roofing that's said to be much more hurricane-proof is being built in a project that the subcontractor says is over 75% complete and will be finished in early August.
We don't put on hurricane strap anymore with 3-inch nails. We use screws to install all the hurricane strap. Every rafters has to be going 2 feet center. So every rafters has to be hurricane strapped. And then the backing board that we put on the outside, most people know it as a closure board. We use concrete nail to secure those. We upgraded from 1x10 to 1x12, so we have more leverage and more coverage.
At the infant department block, where the entire roof was tossed aside and crumpled like waste paper,
we have put on a belt on top of it, a 12 inches belt all the way around the building, so this building can more properly secure. This overhang that we have up here, it's over 7 feet long. This was dangling in the air, so there was nothing supporting underneath here. So what we did, both myself and the proven construction engineer, we have recommended back to the Ministry of Education nets to put in these beams, these steel beams. And if you notice up top up there, these rafters are going to be secure with bolts. So those are I'm going to secure with nut and bolts. So we're going to bore those, and there are going to be 2 nut and bolts for each one. So here is going to be properly secure so that when the wind, should in case there is another hurricane and the wind comes underneath here, it doesn't go like this because it will be supported by these steel beams.
He says since the recent restoration of electricity to some sections of the school, the work has been going much faster.
The work that we have leave now is just for the grade 5 blocks to remove the sheeting from that structure, put on the plywood, and then resheet. And then after that, the electrician is already in doing their work. The painter should be coming in sometime next week.
Anywhere that is not complete, I know that when the wind gets under there, it's going to go again. So I would love for them to be finished before we really get another hurricane like that. But I'm not really worried for the school that much. As for the homes, because there are some homes that they have not been touched since the hurricane.
I feel sorry for some people because their businesses and their houses both got damaged. And because they're still going to have to try a way to push through with fixing their house and fixing back their shops. And that can cost a lot of money, and after the hurricane, you don't really have so much money.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.